Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add any particular folder to Finder sidebar so that you can access it easily. Now, it doesn't matter which Mac you're using, the process is going to be same. And before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So in order to add any folder to Finder sidebar, first of all, you need to open Finder. And once you open Finder, let me tell you why it is necessary to add any folder to Finder sidebar. Suppose you're working on a project or you're accessing a particular folder each and every day whenever you're using your Mac, then what are the steps we usually follow in order to get to that particular folder? First of all, if you are going through Finder, then in Finder we go to location, we select our disk and then user and then that particular folder. Or else if you have added user profile under favorites, we go to that particular profile and we select that folder and then we access the file we want. So yeah, this is a long process. Now if you don't keep any particular folder on desktop, then this is the process you need to follow in order to get to that particular file or suppose folder. So how can you access it easily? You can access it easily by simply adding that folder to Finder sidebar. Now in order to add it, all you have to do is just simply select the folder, click and hold it and drag it to sidebar and leave it. Now you can see this is the folder which we have recently added. Now if I close this, if I want to access project A whenever I'm using my Mac, then all I need to do is just simply go to Finder, and instead of getting into that user profile or user folder, I can directly access that folder from here. So it makes it more easier to access. So this is why it is necessary to add folder to Finder sidebar. Now once your work is done with that particular folder, you can remove it by simply selecting that folder in Finder sidebar, right click and then select remove from sidebar. Now what it will do is it will only remove that folder from sidebar. It won't remove it from your Mac. You can still access it by going to that particular folder and you can see the project A folder is still here. Now one thing you have to keep in mind is that make sure you have selected all this option in favorites. And for that, for some reason, if you're not able to see favorites, then all you can do is go to Finder over here on the menu bar, go to settings and go to sidebar option over here and make sure all these boxes are checked so that you can see those options over here. Now if I uncheck these options, you can see one by one it is going from Finder sidebar. It is no more visible over there. You can see if I close this now, under favorites only user is visible. So in order to select, or in order to keep multiple options over there, you can just simply go to Finder and go to Finder settings, and under sidebar only select those options which you want to use in sidebar. So I usually keep application over there and I do keep recent over there. I like to keep documents, and it depends completely on you. So select the option which you want, and once you're done, then you're good to go. So yeah, how to add folder to sidebar, just drag it like this. And one more thing, you can also rearrange it. So if you click and hold it, and you can just drag it like this to change its position. So you can keep it wherever you want. And once your work is done, if you want to remove it, just right click and then select remove from sidebar option. So yeah, this is how simple it is to add any particular folder to Finder sidebar. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.